Hello everyone, it's me Amy. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm very haggard right now, so let's turn off my camera. Well, right now I am applying in Native Camp. I know you are familiar with that. I'm already here in the demo. I will have my demo maybe later. So ikaw ang mamimili ng time mo as long as it's from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You could choose from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. because I opened it kanina mga 3 a.m. It's still closed. So it says there's no admin. Akala ko din imaginary student. My real student pala, which is the ad. So let's begin first in how you will apply in the Native Camp. So i-search nyo lang yung website, which is Native Camp application. So yeah, if you applied before and then nagamit mo na yung email mo, you can use another email to apply. So yan, first is mail confirm, then the basic requirements, yeah, and then after that environment check. So check, it's already checked. Wait, check if lessons are available. Yeah. And then next one is the exam. So honestly, yeah, 90% yun, nakapasa naman. Madali lang yung exam. Yeah, so it's like R is mga ganon. So next, if mahirap naman for you, I have a trick, Char. Um, you can use this. You know this? Copilot. Copilot, it's an AI, like a chat GPT. Yeah. So I'm used to it. I'm used to this one at the chat GPT. So you can just copy the question and then paste it here. Basta yung mga mahihirap lang, wag naman lahat. Mawawalan kayo ng time. Yeah, I think the exam is only 10 minutes and then it has 20 items. Yun. Next, AI speaking. This one, this is the 77%, sorry. Yeah, so 90% pala ako sa English. But this one, speaking, ito yung may babasahin kayong sentence or paragraph. Yun. Tapos mag-explain ka what is happening on this picture, why is the man hungry, why is the man who went to the doctor, ganon. Explain yun. Yeah. And then now, I'm here now in number 6 is pag-aaralan mo yung lesson mo. And then, if you are ready, go to the demo lesson. So, yun na yung magde-demo. But since I'm practicing, so I will show it to you and then I will try to practice how to do the demo. So, ito yung learning kit, step 1. Yeah. Diyan yung mga rules. Of course, basahin mo rin naman if you are, you know. And then, this one, demo lesson textbook. Ito yung example for if you're looking for a video. Yeah. Example and my guide din doon. So, let's have this. For example, magdi-demo na ako. Just for practice. Kasi, I saw this on Facebook. May nag-post doon. So, she earns like 15 to 18,000 a month full-time in Native Camp. So, na-amaze ako. I want to try because um, I don't like, I'm not available from most of the ESL companies. They need, the peak hours. So, gusto ko mag-teach ng morning or like this, it's afternoon. Mostly kasi peak hours. So, yeah, marami daw students. Lahat naman gusto ng maraming students. So, let's see. Let's try and then I will update you if I get this job. So, let's have this demo class. Yeah. So, for example, meron na yan. Ito yung mismo. I think everyone na mag-a-apply the same lesson material because I also watch in YouTube na may demo siya and ito rin yung topic niya. Yeah. So I want to practice. So let me remove this one. This is this one, the red here, yung nasa gilid.